Dasher Error 500 is an internal server error that occurs when DoorDash's servers encounter an unexpected condition and cannot fulfill your request. This error means the problem is on DoorDash's end, not with your device or app. The server infrastructure is experiencing an internal malfunction. When Error 500 occurs, you cannot log into the Dasher app, accept orders, update delivery status, or access your earnings information. Unlike client-side errors in the 400 series, Error 500 is a server-side issue. This means the problem originates from DoorDash's infrastructure, not your device. Common causes of Error 500 include server overload during peak hours like lunch and dinner rushes, database connectivity issues, application updates, and regional server outages. Peak error times occur during lunch rush from 11:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. and dinner rush from 5:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. when server load is highest. Recent data from 2024 to 2025 shows that approximately 15 to 20% of Dashers experience Error 500 monthly. The average resolution time is 15 to 45 minutes for server-side issues. The financial impact can be significant, with average earnings loss of $15 to $30 per incident during peak hours. Peak incident rates increase by up to 35% during major promotional events. Understanding Error 500 helps Dashers recognize when the issue is server-side and requires patience while DoorDash resolves the infrastructure problem. When facing Error 500 in the Dasher app, start with these basic troubleshooting steps that resolve most issues quickly. Clear the app's cache and data on Android devices, or offload and reinstall the app on iOS devices. This removes corrupted temporary files that may cause server communication issues. On iOS devices, you can offload or reinstall the app through settings. This process preserves your login information while refreshing the app installation. Ensure you're using the latest app version, restart your device, and check that you have at least 1 gigabyte of free storage space available. Verify your internet connection is stable with at least 3 megabits per second speed. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test connectivity. If basic steps don't resolve the error, try these advanced solutions that address account and system-level issues. As a temporary workaround, you can use the DoorDash web portal through your mobile browser to continue dashing while the app issue is resolved. Prevent future Error 500 occurrences by following these proactive maintenance practices for your device and app. If Error 500 persists for more than 30 minutes, affects your earnings, or completely blocks account access, contact DoorDash support immediately for assistance.